Douche muffin.
Douche mouth.
What?
Douche your mouth.
What did you even say? What? Say it to where I can understand you.
Whose mom does this?
What did you say? Say it to where I can understand you.
It's so fucking gross.
I want to laugh too. Damn it.
Douche a muffin.
Douche Muppet? Oh God. I'm crying over here.
Oh man.
What did you say? Kind of like in the store. Kind of like in the store. Says surprise, pissed my pants. Oh wait, what was it? Sassafras kiss my ass or something like that. Now, what did you say that was so funny?
Douche your mailbag.
Douche your mailbag? What the hell does that mean?
I don't know, but it's freaking funny.
Douche your mailbag? Is that what you said?
First of all, I'm not a mailman.
It was either that or mailman. Douche your mailman? Who would douche their mailman?
I don't know, but I thought it sounded funny.
Is that all you're gonna laugh?
Mm-hmm. Until I think about something else.
Okay.
Okay. Now I want to watch that. Bye. Bye.
Say boy.
Shikuya.